Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dr. John and we're about to embark on an epic adventure. I'm talking jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, absolutely breathtaking views of New Zealand, all filmed with the help of our little friend up here, the drone. We're going full-on bird's-eye view, soaring over mountains, diving into valleys, skimming across crystal-clear lakes. This is not your average travel vlog, people. This is about experiencing the raw beauty of New Zealand in a way you've never seen before. We're talking about landscapes so epic, so untouched. They'll make you want to book a one-way ticket right this second. Get comfy because we're about to take off. First stop, Milford Sound. Imagine towering cliffs carved by glaciers centuries ago. Rising straight out of the water, waterfalls cascade down these cliffs, crashing into the dark blue depths below. It's like something straight out of Jurassic Park, only more beautiful. We're flying through the sound, the drone buzzing with excitement as it captures the sheer scale of this place. You can almost feel the mist from the waterfalls on your face, smell the salty air. The sun peeks through the clouds, casting an ethereal glow on the water, and the wildlife, man, don't even get me started. We're talking seals basking on the rocks, dolphins leaping through the waves, even the occasional penguin waddling by. It's like a whole other world down here, untouched and teeming with life. But we've got a lot more ground to cover, literally. So we pack up our gear, buzzing with adrenaline and wonder, and head for the skies once more.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, folks, buckle up because we're about to enter a whole different world. Rotorua is like stepping onto another planet. Imagine steaming geysers erupting into the sky, bubbling mud pools, and a smell that's unique, to say the least. We're flying over geothermal fields, the drone struggling a bit in the heat, but capturing some truly insane footage. The colors are unreal, vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds, like an artist's palette gone wild. But Rotorua isn't just about geothermal wonders. It's also a hub of Maori culture, the indigenous people of New Zealand. We're talking traditional villages, intricate carvings, and stories passed down through generations. It's a culture deeply connected to the land. And you can feel that connection everywhere you go. We spend the afternoon exploring a Maori village, learning about their history, their customs, and even witnessing a traditional haka performance. It's powerful, moving, and a reminder that there's so much more to this world than what we see on our phones. Queenstown, baby. This place is a magnet for thrill seekers and adrenaline junkies. We're talking bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, skydiving, you name it, Queenstown's got it. But even if you're not into throwing yourself off things, this place will still blow your mind. The scenery here is straight out of a postcard. Imagine crystal clear Lake Wakatipu surrounded by towering mountains, their peaks dusted with snow. We're taking the gondola up Bob's Peak for a panoramic view of the city and the surrounding mountains. The drone follows us, capturing the whole thing in all its glory. From up here, Queenstown looks like a miniature toy town, nestled amidst a sea of green and blue. It's enough to make you forget your fear of heights almost. We spend the next few days pushing our limits, trying everything from zip-lining through the forest to whitewater rafting down the Shotover River. It's exhilarating, terrifying, and utterly unforgettable. From the adrenaline rush of Queenstown, we find ourselves in Abel Tasman National Park, a place of serene beauty and tranquility. Imagine golden sand beaches, turquoise waters, and lush green forests, all bathed in the warm glow of the New Zealand sun. We're kayaking through crystal clear waters, the drone capturing the pristine coastline. The sun glistens off the water, creating a shimmering spectacle of light and color. Our final destination, folks, and it's a doozy. Mount Cook, the highest peak in New Zealand, piercing the sky at over 12,000 feet. We're flying towards the mountain, the drone battling the wind. The Southern Alps rise up around us, a jagged snow-capped range, and then, there it is, Mount Cook dominating the skyline. It's an awe-inspiring sight. We land the drone near a glacier, the ice shimmering blue in the sunlight, a powerful reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature. As we stand there, gazing up at Mount Cook, we feel a sense of accomplishment. We've journeyed across New Zealand, from the fjords of Milford Sound to Rotorua, from Queenstown to Abel Tasman National Park. We've seen it all, experienced it all. Stay tuned for our next adventure. So there you have it, folks, our whirlwind drone adventure through the stunning landscapes of New Zealand. From towering mountains to pristine beaches, bubbling mud pools to ancient forests, this country has it all. If you enjoyed this aerial tour, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing content. And let me know in the comments below which destination was your favorite and where you'd like to see us explore next. But for now, it's time to say goodbye to this incredible country. Until next time, New Zealand.